secret weapon. Anybody knows what the secret weapon is? All your kids know the secret weapon. I got all set to cry in my loudest voice. And he said, stop. I said, will you teach me now? He said, well, I can't teach you, but I can tell you where you can go and learn magic. So I said, okay. So I'm from Udupi. So I came all the way to Bangalore and I went to this shop called Udai's Magic World. And Udai Magic World, I went inside and Udai Jadugar was standing there. And I went to Udai and I said, I want to learn magic. He said, okay, what do you want to do? And he had a big shop with lot of magic. I said, do you want to learn how to cut people in half? I said, no. He said, do you want to learn how to vanish somebody? I said, no. He said, okay. Do you want to change an aeroplane into an helicopter? I said, no. He said, what do you want to learn? I said, uncle, I want to learn that magic in which I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards. And from those 6 cards, I can throw 1, 2, 3 cards any number of times and still show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards. He said, that's a good magic, but I don't know how to do it. So my friends, thanks for listening to my story, because even today, that magic. Comes 5, 6 cards, throws 3, still shows 6. I don't know that magic. But because you've been such a wonderful, wonderful audience, and I have 2 pages of you. Let me just have a look at all of you. Yeah, I have 2 pages of you. And, you know, you listen to my story. So what I would have done if I knew that magic, I don't know that magic, but if I knew that magic, I would have shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards. And from those 6 cards, I would have thrown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards, and still shown you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards. But I don't know that magic, so I can't show it to you. So let me show you a magic that I know, okay? Will do? Somebody's phone is still on, so yes, that's causing some problem. If people whose phone is on, your audio is on, if you can just press that mute button on your screen, it would help everybody, because otherwise they'll see you and not me. Okay, so this one is going to be difficult because I'm in my house, like you are in your house, and this is normally done on stage. And so you would see me and you would have space to see me. Now, one thing that you would have to understand is the story I'm telling you. Let me show you as much as I can from here. Okay, so Nupur, if you could just mute everybody and then unmute me again.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I will tell you a story, okay? You know what the story is? The story is of 3 monkeys. With 3 monkeys. There was Papa Monkey with a long tail. With that long tail, Papa Monkey used to swirl his tail like this, jump from tree, jump to another tree, play all day. Then there was Mama Monkey. Mama Monkey had a medium-sized tail. With that medium-sized tail, she too used to swirl her tail like this, jump from a tree, jump to another tree, and play all day. And then there was Baby Monkey. Baby Monkey had a very small tail. With a small tail, Baby Monkey could neither hang from a tree nor jump tree to tree. Baby monkey was very sad. One day when baby monkey was sleeping, it folded its tail like this. Mama monkey folded her tail like that. And Papa monkey folded his tail like this. Do you know monkeys fold their tails when they sleep? No, I told you just now. So now you have to believe me, okay? Now what happened was this. Here was baby monkey's tail, mama monkey's tail, and papa monkey's tail. Baby monkey's tail, mama monkey's tail, papa monkey's tail. And when you sleep, what happens? When you sleep, we dream. Yeah, we dream. And in that dream, baby monkey saw its small tail start to grow, grow, and grow till it was the same as Papa monkey, same as Mama monkey, and that was baby monkey's tail. Now, because there are adults in here, let me also do this and show you that this is Papa monkey's tail, this is Mama monkey's tail, and that is baby monkey's tail. You know what happened? I don't do birthday parties anymore, but years back when I was a small kid, I used to do a lot of birthday parties. And that time, in one birthday party, I did this and I was telling this story. And this small kid, like you, Rima, who was seated right there, actually pulled my pants like this. And I was like, oh, leave, leave. I said, what? He said, uncle, what happened when the baby monkey woke up? I said, what? What happened when the baby monkey woke up? I said nothing, because when the baby monkey woke up, the dream was over. So baby monkey had a small tail, mama monkey had a medium-sized tail, and papa monkey had a long tail. There ends a long tail of 3 tails. Thank you so much for listening. Did you like the magic? Hey, Abhi, I can see you on the screen now. Hi. I'm seeing some friends on the screen, so just waving at them. All the other kids, I'm waving at you. Hi. Okay. Now I was told that you are here not just to watch magic, but you also want to learn some magic. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. So to help me with this, you know what I have done? I've asked my son to come here and show you some magic. And then I'll teach you that magic, because you know if he can do it, you can also do it. Okay? Inesh, will you join us for this? Okay, let me do that. Awesome. Now Inesh is going to show you some card magic. Okay.
Okay, today I'm going to tell you a story about 4 thieves, alright? Now, these are the 4 thieves. One day, the 4 thieves were going to rob a bank. So they all went and robbed the bank. But then the police were chasing them and they wondered what to do. So they decided to go and hide. So the 4 thieves went. One thief went somewhere in between. So like that, each thief went in between the whole city. So they decided that if they did that and they spread out, all 4 thieves would be separated, and then the police could not get them. So the thieves were happy with their plan. And then the police started searching for them, but they could not find them, as all the thieves had gone and hidden. So they went and got a special detective who had magical powers. He was called the Joker. So he could do many magical stuff. So what he said he would do is to call the first 4 people they meet. And those 4 people would be the thieves. The cops didn't believe this, but they agreed. So the first 4 people
Guys, if you can't hear, I'll repeat it for you later.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Those were the first 4 keys. So what the magician did was just give a slight wave and a tap. And I don't know how, but all 4 of the keys came back and they were caught and imprisoned.
Inesh, are you sure that these other cards don't have extra kings in them?
Yes, I'm sure.
Let me check. Wow. How did you do that? Okay, are you showing us something else?
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to share a trick with 4 aces. You can see that. 3 aces. Sorry. So I have the ace of spades, the ace of diamonds, and the ace of clubs.
Okay, since you guys can't hear that, let me do that for you. Can you hear when people are talking?
No.
You couldn't hear all this while?
No.
Can you tell me if you can't hear? Now, did you hear that sound? You can, right?
Okay. So I'm going to show you a trick with the 3 aces. I have the ace of diamonds, the ace of spades, and the ace of clubs. I'm going to take each ace and I'm going to put them in between the deck. First ace, the second ace, and the third ace. Now each ace is thoroughly mixed up, right? Could be anywhere in the deck. But now I'm going to do something impossible. I'm going to take out that ace and I'm going to put it in here.
Which is? Wait.
I'm going to
Can you unmute somebody there? No, for any one person on the other side of the screen. I can see Angel there, so perhaps you can unmute her.
Yeah, I'll do that. Want me to unmute Angel, is it? Okay, unmute. Hi, Angel.
Hi, Angel. Can you hear us?
Yes.
Okay, so Inesh is going to ask you some questions you need to answer, okay?
So you know that the 3 aces are in there, right? So would you believe me if I would take out the ace of diamonds and I would say that it is in this box?
Cannot hear.
Okay, let me do this. Inesh had put 3 aces inside this, right? He put the ace of diamond, the ace of spade, and the ace of clubs. We want you to tell us a color, a red or black. What would you like?
Color of?
Just say red or black. What would you like?
Black.
Black. So there were 2 aces which were black, which was the ace of spade and ace of clubs. That leaves us with only one card, the ace of diamond. Inesh, what do you want to do with the ace of diamond?
Take the ace of diamond and I'm going to put it in this box, right?
You're putting the ace of diamond inside this box? I don't believe you.
It's in there.
Okay, we will check that. Let's see if the ace are here or they have gone out. Okay, that's one ace, that's the heart. Then let me look for something else. That's the other ace, the ace of spades. And that's one more, the ace of clubs. Wow, Where is the ace of diamonds, Inesh?
In that box.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, let me check. I can hear something. And let me open. Yes, inside is one card. Really, inside the box is a card. And that says of diamonds. So nice. Thank you so much, Inesh. Okay, I'll take that. I think the earpods are causing some problem in his ears. So sorry that you were not able to hear him. Can you hear me more clearly now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So let me try teaching you guys those two magic tricks. Are you people interested in learning it?
Yes.
Okay. So what you need, which I'm guessing you may not have in the house right now, but if you have a pack of cards anywhere, if you have, oh, nice, there are kids already showing packs of cards. So if you have a pack of cards, or if you have Uno cards, or you have like a Disney card, any cards, Scrabble cards, or any kind of playing cards, Pokemon cards, whatever is there, run, go get it and come back. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm telling you, go get it. I can see you. Go get it. I can see Madhu and others messaging saying, yeah, we are getting it. Thanks, guys. This is just an introductory session. We will definitely come back to you with a more structured session, but we thought since everybody is locked up, let's do something where we all have a good time together. Okay, good. Any kind of cards work for now. I can see you there. Good. And you also have cards. Very nice. Somebody has a magic wand also there. Wow. Okay, good. A lot of people having cards. Very, very nice. So what we need to do is, for the first effect that Inesh performed, the four thieves effect, we need four cards which are exactly the same. Inesh used the four kings. So all of you who have a normal pack of playing cards, pick out the four kings from it. Kings are the cards with the K on it. Pick out the four kings. The others, you can pick any card. If you don't have four kings, if you have Scrabble cards, pick four A cards. Or if you have, what are the other cards? Uno cards. You can pick four wild cards or four green cards. Any four cards, four switch cards, swap cards, or four Pokemon cards, power up cards, whatever. Yeah, that's perfect. Kings work perfectly. Now, what Inesh showed you was that he had four kings and showed you a box. And I will stand roughly here so that you can see both me and what I'm doing. And he told you that he's going to keep these on top and then move one card each inside. But you know what? He did not do that. He did something very interesting. Yes, Inesh?
Yes.
He did something very interesting. What he did was, before he came here, he took four extra cards. Any four extra cards. So you have your four kings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 kings. Keep it on top of your deck. Keep it on top of the deck. And from the bottom, take any four cards and keep them on top. So now you have the top 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be any 4 cards. And then you have king, 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 king. Now put the other cards aside. Just hold on to these 8 cards in your hand. I can see Madhu getting so excited about it right there. Okay, so what you're going to do is this. You will hold the cards, 8 cards like this in your hand. Okay, let me change my view so that I can see this better. Okay, so you're going to hold the 4 cards like this, 8 cards like this, but you will always talk to them as 4 cards. See, even in talking, I think they are 4 cards, because in my mind, they are 4 cards. And if I believe they are 4 cards, everybody believes they are 4. And what do? You slowly touch the top card and slide that down. Then you touch both these cards and slide that down. You touch these 3 cards and slide that down. Now that might look very easy in my, and you still need to hold all these cards together. Now that might look very easy in my hand, but that's because I've been doing this since I've been a 5-year-old. So that's at least 35 years of practice, okay? So you need to put a lot of practice into magic before you can show it to anybody. Otherwise, they will catch you out very quickly. Now you come and you show that you have 4 kings. That's how the story starts. You hold the other cards in your other hand. And now you say, this is when you start. This is all done behind. When Inesh did this there, he came and he just performed in front of you. You didn't do the setup in front of you. This is called a setup, okay? Now you come and you can choose which hand to hold. I'm okay with both hands with this. I'll go with my left. You can, Inesh, can you join me here? You can either keep this on a table, the rest of the cards, or you can keep it in front. I'm keeping it here so that you know that we are not doing anything out of this frame, okay? So we have 4 cards, the 4 kings, and that's when the story starts. What's the story? You can choose anything. You can make it of any story that you want. Our story is that it's the 4 thieves. There were 4 thieves, and these 4 thieves went and robbed a bank. And that's when I'm showing these like this. See, 4. And then I just turn this and just push them together. Now, even if you look at it sideways, unless you look at it very intently from very close, you would still not know whether it's 4 cards or 6 cards or 8 cards or 3 cards. That's an advantage. But don't do that. Hold it like this. Hold it closed and hold it like this clearly so that they don't know what you're doing. And you say, so these 4 thieves, they went and robbed the bank. And once they came out with all that money, they knew the only way they could be caught is if they were caught together and with the loot. So what did they do? The 4 of them went and they decided to go 4 different places so that even if one of them was caught, the others would not be. And even if they were caught separately and people couldn't link them together. Yeah, it's like that movie, Now You See Me. So these guys, what they did, the first king went here to the bottom. That's what you say. But in reality, it's not a king, it's some card. But don't show like this. You take it and see how Inesh showed it? So you go, the first robber went south and he went and hid himself. The second robber went north and he went and he hid himself. The third robber went east and he went in and hid himself. And the last thief went west and went in and hid himself. Now there was no way, because they have gone 4 different places, there was no way anybody could catch them. But the inspector that they called Sherlock Holmes was a very intelligent man. Sherlock Holmes, which nobody knows, knew magic. Because, Inesh, hold your hands out like this for me here. Now, because he was Sherlock Holmes, you know what he said? He said, I want you men, run, and I want you to catch the first 4 people you find. So the police went, and whoever they found first, they got and caught him. Whoever they got first, they got and caught him. Whoever they got first, they got and first. And the last 4th person also, whoever they got and they caught him. Now, You don't need Inesh for this, okay? You can do this on the table, or you can ask somebody else in front of you to hold out a hand. We are doing this so that it's in the frame. But when you are performing, you're not doing this over. Actually, do not do this over this Zoom or YouTube or anything like that. Always do this magic for people, real people in front of you. Yeah. In this lockdown, practice, practice, practice. So that when the lockdown ends and you're meeting people, you have a new skill, a new hobby you have learned that you can go and show everybody and say, you know what I did when I was locked in? La la, I became a magician. Inesh has been doing that. He's been practicing a lot. Now, you say, these guys went and caught them. But people said, I don't believe you. Those 4 thieves are inside. They could be anywhere in the world, and this is the world. So the other cops kept searching. They went north, they went south, they went all over the place. They kept looking, 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 and they kept searching for the kings. And they searched and searched and searched, and they couldn't find any of these. They went north, they went south, they went east, they went west, they went northeast, they went southeast, they went everywhere. They couldn't find the 4 thieves. You know why they couldn't find the 4 thieves? Because you remember our friend Sherlock Holmes? What he did was very magical. The 4 people that he had caught turned out to be the 4 robbers. How did he do that? Well, now you know how he did that, because all he did actually, the magician, what he did was take 4 extra cards before anybody else knew it, put it on top, held the 8 cards together, held it like this, and go 1, 2, and 3, and align this even before coming in front of you. And so when he came in, he said, I have 4 cards. And that's how we showed it. Here are the 4 cards. And that's all you need to perform this wonderful 4 thief mystery. Did you all learn it? Thank you so much. Please practice it. This is the first magic trick I ever learned. My sister back in Udupi, my cousin, she taught me this magic trick. And you know what? After all these 30 odd years of practicing this, recently I performed it back to her. And I fooled her completely. Why? Because I brought a small twist. You can do that twist when we do a real workshop, okay? I will teach you that twist so that you can fool real magicians also with this. For now, I think we are okay with this. Practice this. Did you do one more magic?
Yes.
And what magic was that?
The thief.
Oh, you did the disappearing diamond. Where are our cards? Okay. This one is from my book. I have a book. Amazon is closed right now, but whenever Amazon opens out, you can look for this. It is called Smart Course in Magic by me. My name is Nakul Shenoy. In this book, let me see what the effect was called. Okay, you will find that yourself. Let's perform the magic instead. What you need always as magicians is to have your secret. And your secret is something you should not share with anybody. Okay? The secret you're learning today is only between you and me. Okay? Don't tell anybody, not even your parents. Don't teach anybody. Okay? That's the only way you become a magician. Now, the secret here is that, again, we cheat. We take 4 cards. We take the 4 aces this time. All of you, take out the 4 aces. The ace of hearts. This is the clubs. Normally seen this way. This is how hearts are seen. This is a club. It's called a club. This is a diamond. And this is spades. Yes, it's a spades. What you do is you take the box and right at the start, you remove the ace of diamonds and you put it inside the box. You close the box and I will sort of, wait, I have something here. Perfect. I will leave the box there. Now you know the box is here and I have a few cards on top. I will pick my 3 cards and I will now show you the 3 cards as Inesh did. Actually, I don't know if you noticed when he first showed it, it slightly slid away, but it's okay because you won't be able to catch it. He showed you 3 cards. He said he had the ace of spade, ace of clubs, and the ace of diamonds. But you know what? This here is not the ace of diamonds. It is the ace of hearts. It's turned around like this. Okay? And then you take these 2 cards and you slowly adjust it. Let me show you. You adjust it slowly like this, like an X here, so that this logo here, this heart here is covered and this here is covered. That's roughly an X. And then you take the other card and you do a similar thing. And that's it. And that's how you show the card. So when you come in and again you do this offline, right? You prepare for this and you come holding the rest of the deck in your hand and you show that you have 3 cards. You have the ace of spades, the ace of, you look at it like this, the ace of clubs and the ace of diamonds. That's what you say. And with you know, like that lie you tell sometimes. Yeah, like that. You always gently so that people don't know you're lying. Okay. So I'm kidding. Don't lie. Okay. Only in magic you lie. In life you don't lie. Okay. You show that you have ace of spades, ace of clubs, and ace of diamonds. And now you bring them together like this and put them on top. And now you say, I am moving 1 card, ace of diamonds, to the bottom. I am moving the ace of clubs to the middle. Now they can see it a little, it's okay. Only the first card they shouldn't see, right? And I'm moving the ace of spades somewhere there. And now you go, let's see, Nupur, if you're still listening, can you unmute Madhu there? If that's possible. Or Madhu, if you can unmute yourself, if that's possible. Okay, perfect. Madhu, can you hear me?
Yes, Nakul. Go ahead.
Awesome. Okay. What I'm going to do is this, right? Madhu, you just saw me put 3 cards inside. Now everybody listen carefully. This is how you perform, okay? I put 3 cards inside. The ace of diamonds, the ace of spade, and ace of clubs. They are red cards and black cards. Madhu, what would you like? Red or black?
Black.
Black. And that's what earlier also she said, black. Angel said black. That makes it things very easy because the moment you say black, okay, you want black, red is left for me. So what I will do, what red card was there? And people will quickly tell you. Ace of diamond. Ace of diamond. Thank you very much. And now you go, ace of diamond. I will remove from here. Put it in this box. Now, if Madhu had said red, what would have happened? Madhu, I have red cards and black cards. What would you like?
Red.
You want red. There was only 1 card in there that was red, Madhu. Do you remember what that was?
Ace of diamonds.
Ace of diamonds. So for you, Madhu, I will remove the ace of diamond and put it inside this box. Whatever they say, black, you say, oh, I will give you black. I will take out the red. If they say, I want red, you say, oh, I will give you red. That's one line you need to by heart. You should know. You shouldn't think. It's called magician's choice. Whatever they decide, we will do what we want. Okay? Now, thanks a lot, Madhu. Thank you so much. You can mute yourself. Now, the point here is they don't believe you. How can it be? Now imagine this could be anywhere. This could be at the top corner of your room. It could be under the chair they are sitting on. Before they sit only, you can prepare for it. Because then when you say, okay, there where I have removed it, and they say no, you say no, okay, here, check, and you give them the deck. In real, that is what we would do. Here we are doing everything here, and then they look, and they look for all the aces, and when they look for the aces, they find one ace. Then they look through again, they find the second ace, and they look again and they find the third ace, and they can keep looking. The other aces are not there. There are only these three aces here. And now you go, you know what? We should always believe a magician. And you say this box, or you say go up there into the corner of the room. There that box is there, go bring it. And they bring it. And you ask, you open the box. And they open the box. And inside will be only one card. Why? Because you put it there right at the start. And they take that card out and they look, and it's the ace of diamonds. Mind blown. Yeah? Awesome. Now for today, we will only teach you these two magic tricks. Okay? And perhaps we will do more workshops with you. And that time you can practice this and show it to us. Okay? And then we will teach you a lot more. Actually, if you can perform any of these two or any other magic trick that you know, and you perform and make a small video for it, and you send it back to Bala uncle, right? They will send you a link to a free book that I have given, which teaches you 50 different magic tricks. Okay, so you can do that. On the other hand, adults who are listening, if you have a pen handy, you can write down contact. See, I can actually type that in, I guess. Let me do that. Contact at nakulshenoy.com, but you need to add this in the subject line, okay? I want the manual of magic. So all of you have this. Okay, there's also Bala at hoopsters.in that you can write to. So that is the ID you need to send your tricks, and they will send you the book. I think we will go with that. Yeah. Do a small video of either these tricks that you learned today or any other magic trick that you know. Do a small video, send it to Bala at hoopsters.in, and they will send you the link. Okay, wait. There's a change in email ID. Bala, decide. Okay, Bala at 4c.in. Also CC, Bala at hoopsters.in, CC Bala at 4c.in, and you will get a link to my manual of magic, which will teach you 50 different tricks. And if none of that works, send me a mail at contact@nakulshenoy.com with the subject line, I want manual of magic. Okay? Okay, kids? Awesomeness. Stay safe, stay home, and make magic. We can unmute everybody. If people want to ask something, I'm happy to answer. I had a great time performing for you guys. Thank you so very much.
Hi guys, can you hear me?
We can.
All right. So some of you have been asking, how can we learn more tricks? How can we, take this forward? We will be having a lot more such workshops. Is that right, Nakul?
Yes. We would be having some more online workshops. We are working on the modalities. So yeah, you can keep track of it through
Yes.
Bala at 4c.in and hoopsters.in being the website. and their various Facebook pages. You have my name, Nakul Shenoy. Also, perhaps keep an eye on anything that I'm announcing on my own. But either way, magic is a wonderful, wonderful hobby, and especially for kids, it's an extremely special hobby because it teaches you how to stand in front of people, how to perform, how to entertain them, how to forget. Yeah. So I want you to learn magic, put in the practice that's required, and really learn it. Okay. And thanks for all the wonderful comments people are sending in. Once you get this link to my book, which is not the Smart Course in Magic. Smart Course in Magic is a publicly available book that you can get via Amazon and perhaps most of the other bookshops. This manual of magic is only available. It's mostly only given to people who attend my workshops. But because we are all in a lockdown, we are giving it to anybody who's interested. So please get it. And parents, help your kids because sometimes it's a very simplified language, but it's not a very picture-heavy book. It's more of text. So if you just read it out to them, they should be able to do the magic by themselves. Most of the kids here, I'm sure, can read by themselves. So that's okay.
So for the
Abhi,
parents, for the parents and
Sorry.
kids, you can leave us a mail at bala@4c.in if you want a link to that book, or through Nakul's email ID. Another option is you can leave your email ID here and we will connect with you when we have our next workshop. Alright? Somebody has a doubt. Nakul, somebody said I have a doubt. Charu has a doubt.
Second trick, we can hide the black card also. No, that's no, the point is it doesn't matter what they say. The point you are trying to do is you are showing that I have 3 cards, and you are saying I have the diamond, that's one thing you're putting in their head repeatedly, the diamond, because the diamond is not there really. The diamond is already set up. So you actually have the hearts, right, Charu? And so I can see you nod. So yeah, so you are having the black. So that's a choice that you're doing with them, just to give them the feeling that it's their card. So if they say red, you say, oh, red, there was only one red card, what? And they will tell you diamonds. So you say, okay, I'll take the diamonds out and put it inside this box. And if they say black, you say, oh, black is what you want, which means the diamond, the red card, the diamond is left for me, so I will take the diamond here, you take the rest of the cards. So in both cases, you are giving them the pact that makes it proper. Abhi, I hope you have been practicing all the magic in the magic manual. Any other? Thank you all. I'm seeing a lot of comments. It was good. It was very good. We liked it. Good tricks. Thank you so much. This is not what I normally do. I do corporate gigs. I do not do birthday parties. So please do not contact me for them. I only do corporate, and I play the role of a mind reader, and so it's a very different thing from what I just did here. But for kids, I think this is a fantastic thing, and kids should learn this. And that's why I thought Inesh could perform a bit of this, because that's good for kids to see their own age somebody else doing and learn from him. So thank you, Bala. Nupur, thanks a lot for organizing this. It was a pleasure being here.
Thank you so much. I think people have learned some tricks in the trying also. So seeing them participate along the way, it was fun. So for all of you who are part of this, you're going to be having a lot more online workshops so that the lockdown can be a little more fun. Magic, we have workshops for different other painting, different things that you want to do. We will keep you posted. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. You can follow Nakul as well, so you can keep updated about what he's going to be doing.
I just typed in I am Nakul Shenoy everywhere. So if you just do a search, you should be able to find me. I'm not very active on Facebook. Even if you see a few posts, that's pretty much more meant for magician friends of mine. So, feel free to stay connected. Twitter is, as some of these guys know, Twitter is where I am all the time. And I can see some of them here. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. Looking at your faces through the screen was fun. And kids, hi Adnan, hi Madhu. So kids, have fun and do magic, okay?